Hey everybody, in this video we'll talk about identifying arithmetic and geometric sequences. So here we have three different sequences and we're told to determine if it appears to be arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So what we're going to do is we're going to determine if we're adding a number or if we're multiplying by a number to get to the next term. So from 21 to 16, I'm adding -5. I'm also adding -5 from 16 to 11, and I'm also adding -5 from 11 to 6. So if I am adding the same number, that is arithmetic. And I have to be adding the same number for each term. So let's look at this one. From 3 to 9, how do I get there? Well, I add 6. From 9 to 15, how do I get there? Well, I also add 6. But then from 15 to 20, what do? I don't add 6. So I'm not going to get to 20 with that one. So that means it's not arithmetic. So I can cross that out. For geometric, to get from 3 to 9, I need to multiply by 3. From 9 to 15, 9 times 3 is not 15, so it is not geometric. So in this case, we have a sequence that is neither. For the next one, from 6 to 12, arithmetically, I would get there by adding 6. But then from 12 to 24, I don't add 6, I add 12, right? So that one doesn't work arithmetically. Geometrically, what am I doing? 6 to 12, I'm multiplying by 2. 12 to 24, I'm multiplying by 2. Okay, 24 to 48, I multiply by 2. So this sequence appears to be geometric. And that's how we can identify whether a sequence is arithmetic or geometric.